Today in this video we will see how to use CC or carbon copy and BCC, also known as blind carbon copy, in the Gmail application. Now there are times when you want to send an email to another person just to inform them about some topics, but they are not the primary recipient and you don't want direct response from them. In that case, you can use CC or BCC in the Gmail application. Let us open Gmail application, select Compose. Now under To, enter the email address of the direct recipient. Now tap on the down arrow here. You will see CC row and BCC row. Now you can enter another email address here. So when you send an email, this email will go to this person as well as to the other persons whose email address is in this CC category. Now the person whose email address is in this CC category, that person will know to whom other persons also that same email address was sent. Now you can also enter the email address here in this BCC, and when you send an email, this same email will go to those person whose email address is in this BCC row. Now the difference between CC carbon copy and BCC, which is blind carbon copy, is that the persons who are in this CC category, those persons will be able to know to whom other persons also the same email was sent. But the person whose name are included in this BCC category, or also known as blind carbon copy, these persons won't be able to know to whom other persons this email was sent. So after you have composed the email, then you can type the subject here, type the email, and then tap on send. Now this email will be received by the person who is in this two category, which is the primary recipient, and this same email will go to this person in this CC category as well as BCC category. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.